Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, right now we're going to take a look at a Shiba Inu article. Before we get into that, let's take a look at what's happening right now in the global crypto market. So we have gone up by 1.48% in the last 24 hours. So we currently set our market cap of 2.64 trillion. You can see Pepe, one of the popular meme coins, trending at number 1 at the moment. The fear and greed index is still quite high at 89, so it's still quite extreme greed at the moment. So let's see what's going on here. So Bitcoin's currently at 69,795. It's gone up by 2.04% in the last 24 hours or so. And over the last 7 days, it's gone up by 12.90% and just over 48% in the last 30 days. Ethereum riding high, just under 4K at the moment, so it's at $3,940.85. It's gone up by 0.51% in the last 24 hours or so. And then we've got Solana still doing well here. So it's above that 140 mark. So it's at $145.40. It has gone down over the last 24 hours by 1.15%, but still doing quite well at the moment. Price predictions are seeing it potentially, reaching, $500 or more. We'll keep you updated as that develops. XRP 0.6198. It's gone down slightly by 0.57% in the last 24 hours. Cardano at 0.7309. Dogecoin at 0.1735. And Shiba Inu doing quite well at 0.403408. Has gone down slightly by 1.34 or 1.50% in the last 24 hours. However, if you go over to the 30-day marker, we can see it's a whopping 266.53%. And over the last 7 days, it's gone up by 55.23%. So it has been doing really well. What a week for the Shiba Inu meme coin. Currently sat at 10. So we've got Avalanche at number 11, $42.74. And then we've got Chainlink at $19.90. It's gone down slightly in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash still doing well at $433. It's gone down by 0.48% in the last 24 hours. Uniswap pushing into 18th position at $14.07. ICP at $14.54. And finally, Litecoin at 20th position at $88.94. It's gone up by 1.08% in the last 24 hours or so. So that's a quick overview of what's happening right now in the global crypto markets. So let's head over to you today. So SHIB Inu surges 6,478% as burn rate explodes in epic week. Let's check the deets. So it's an epic surge of over 6,000% in SHIB burn rate as Shiba Inu kicks off March with a bang. Okay. So Shiba Inu has been skyrocketing, an increase in weekly burn rate rising by 6,478%. This dramatic growth occurs as the burn rate of SHIB tokens explodes, igniting a frenzy of investor interest and catapulting the dog theme token into the spotlight once again in terms of the global crypto markets. So according to the ShibaNex account, over the last week or so, there's been, a very large amount of, SHIB burns. So we've had, you can see there, over, looks like 14,238,113,469. And that's basically 6,478% increase in the weekly burn rate, which is fantastic. So you see a lot of portfolios would have increased over the last week or so, those who bought SHIB early on in particular. Okay, albeit the daily burn rate decreased with only 68,972,347 SHIB tokens burnt in 10 transactions for the past day or so. So you can see this did contribute to the jump in weekly burn rate, which was a total of 13.6 billion SHIB burn on the day before the last. The massive 13.6 billion SHIB stash comes as the SHIB team burn massive amounts of SHIB, bone and leash. Yeah baby, that's what I'm talking about. Want to get to that coveted $1 or even 10 cents, and the way to do that is burn, burn, burn. Let's go. So that was over 4 transactions over the weekend. So you can see massive numbers of SHIB being burnt, as well as bone and leash. So Shiba Inu basically has had a phenomenal week, skyrocketing. Like I said, over 250%, massive highs of 0.404575. Still not reached the all-time high, but quite gain up there at the moment. So SHIB posted its second consecutive week of significant gains after beginning a comeback from lows of 0.402375 on February 26, back end of Feb. And Shiba Inu has also re-entered the top 10, like we just mentioned, whilst we were looking at the global crypto markets and coin market cap, with a market valuation of $20.74 billion, and that's put it into the 10th largest crypto by market capitalization. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. According to Into the Block, Shiba Inu kicked off March with a bang, shababa bang, attracting over 8,400 addresses to peak at 21,000 daily new addresses. That's about 20 times the daily average in Feb. Shiba Inu's total addresses have also hit a new record of 3.88 million. Wow. At the time of writing, so SHIB was down slightly by 1.42% for the last day or so, priced at 0.4035. I did give you a up-to-date price range just before, but you can see at the time of writing here, so SHIB successfully holds about this level. The next target is going to be 0.404, and then to the 0.4045 level in between those levels. So we're looking at 29,260 addresses bought, 3.48 trillion SHIB, an average price of 0.4042 according to Into the Block data. There you have it, people. You can see the fantastic week we've had with SHIB. I hope, if you were an early buyer previously, maybe you bought in the bear market times, you definitely would have seen some profit potentially now over the last week or so. So good times at the moment for meme coins. You see coins like Pepe, Dog with Heart have done really well also. So we'll keep an eye as we move into the kind of middle stages of the bull market right now, with the Bitcoin halving only a few weeks away going into April. So we'll see what kind of stimulus that has on the overall crypto markets. Bitcoin also past 70k, beats all-time high. Currently it's very close to that again. So we'll see how that develops. Okay, people, please do like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think. Support the channel by clicking the join button. It costs less than a cup of coffee. Support us on Patreon, link in description. And if you are looking to invest into crypto, don't forget it can be a volatile space. Always do your own due diligence. But we do use the Kraken exchange. You can check out the link in the description below. And if you use that link, you will get basically, once you've spent your first $100 on crypto, you'll get $10 free Bitcoin. Okay, people, click that notifications bell. Catch you on the next one. Let's make some wallet.